Hello and welcome. I just wanted to come here and create a space of stillness together with you, to remind ourselves of that, who we are beyond the character we are playing. And also at the same time, remember that the other is also the eternal self playing a character. So you may be familiar with this namaste, which is often used in India when we greet someone. The meaning behind it is the same, that I bow down to the divinity that's within you. What's that divinity? It's like bowing down to the self who's playing the character. So we are not doing namaste to the character, but we are doing namaste to that who's playing the character. This recognition that I am the silent self. Brings us in a state of silence. It brings us home. And we experience closeness to God in this home, or when we are home. And this silence heals the heart. It heals us of all that we may have been carrying. There is another greeting that is often used, and this one is used predominantly by the souls of the Brahma Kumaris, and generally also in India. So in India, when someone dies, they use the word Om Shanti. And in the Brahma Kumaris, it's a spiritual organization. When people meet, they greet each other with Om Shanti. Om Shanti. I, the soul, am peace. So it's like a recognition that I, the soul, am peace, playing this part, this character. And when I remind myself that I am that eternal light playing the character, and I see the other whom I am greeting also as an eternal light playing its own character. And this protects us. It protects the stillness. It allows us to maintain that stillness, even whilst being with people. The same is used by some after someone dies, just the way some communities use rest in peace. Resting in the stillness is resting in peace while alive. You don't have to wait to die to rest in peace. You can simply rest here and now. I often use the analogy of a still lake. The lake is still until you throw stones. Likewise, the still lake of our mind or the still lake of ourself is still until there is wasteful thinking. So let's not throw any stones in the still lake of the self and be at rest. We think because we feel we have to do a lot. We feel I have to do. And we simply have to trust in the self, knowing that all that is to be done will be done. And protect the stillness. Okay. Thank you so much once again for being here and creating this space together.